Okay, so on this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Autotrac on an 1800 display. Um, First off, we want to go into this menu is going to pop up. It's basically going to tell us, say, hey, we need to set up some information through the setup wizard. So we'll select B, and it gives us two options: basic setup mode or standard setup mode. Basic setup mode is what we want to do. This is for quick, straight track guidance setup. Standard setup mode is recommended for a little bit more detailed information. So we're just going to do basic. So I'll select G for basic. First step is going to be implement width. We tell it what we're pulling behind us, and then we tell it the track spacing. We're not going to mess with that. We're going to leave it as it is. Hit F for next. The next thing is our recording source. Now if I scroll with this knob here, I can select that and either use the finger or some implement switches. We're just going to leave it on the finger for now and go to the next button. Alright, this is where we select our tracking mode. Once we get up to the tracking mode, I can select it and we can tell it straight track, AB curves, adaptive curves, circle track, or row finder. We're going to use basic straight track. Okay, and then we want to select track name. And I'm going to select new. Okay, once we select that, I was going to name it C. And then I'm going to come over here and hit the F accept button. Alright, so this is pretty simple. Now that brings us to our map where we can set A. So we will hit the set A button. Alright. And then it also has some on-screen instructions telling you what you need to do. So the next thing I'll do is set B. Now you get two options. You can do auto B, or where you drive just a little bit, it's going to automatically set your B for you, or you can do set B yourself. I'll just set B myself and press the B button. And there we have some AB lines populated across our map. Okay. All right. So next step is to turn our Autotrac on or off. This is that A button up here. I'll press A, and you notice it gives us a third piece of the pie. So all we have to do is hit a resume switch, and we are auto tracking. Not much to it. You've also got some settings here you can mess with. A center shift or your left or right shifts you can play with. I'll hit the settings button. This is going to be your steering sensitivity, a plus or a minus. A plus meaning more aggressive steering sensitivity or Autotrac sensitivity, how aggressive it holds that line. If it veers off, how aggressive it'll grab it. Or if you use the minus, it'll be less aggressive. I'll hit the J, the previous button, go back. Again, let me hit the guidance button. This just takes us back to some information. We don't want to go there. We'll go back to our home page. And there we go, back to our guidance page, and that's how you set an AB line on an 1800 display. Thanks for watching.